Today I'm testing out Kylie Jenner's viral ramen recipe. Take my two ramens right over here, and we're not gonna cook this until they're fully cooked. Pour off most of the water. Grab an egg, and she says to crack an egg into a bowl. Mix that all up. Just place that right in here. Mix that up. Season with garlic powder. Mix it all up. A big chunk of butter, and you're just going to use the leftover heat to melt that butter. Transfer this mixture straight into a serving bowl.
Want to see how an almost registered dietitian makes ramen? I'm craving smushy comfort food, so I'm making ramen again this week because it's good. I added some greens in with boiling my noodles. In here I have the ramen sauce packets. I have crushed garlic. I put a little Kewpie mayo, some gochujang, or however you say it, the Korean red chili paste. I've also got some Kewpie mayo, Japanese Kewpie mayo, and 2 eggs. I'm going to pour the pasta water in here slowly so it slowly cooks the eggs. But I'm going to make sure they are cooked because we don't want to get sick. I'm going to pour in my noodles and my bok choy. Top with a little green onion. There we have it. Creamy, delicious ramen.
Bruh, Maruchan sent me some ramen and a bowl to eat my ramen out of. And I thought it'd be the perfect time to try this ramen hack I learned from TikTok. You need some good ramen, garlic, Kewpie mayo, and 1 egg. R.I.P. my diet. Okay, I'll stop. So just cook the ramen like you normally would. Then in your bowl, add 1 egg, Kewpie mayo, garlic, the seasoning packet from the soup, and some of the noodle water. Make sure you mix it really good and then add your noodles. Then you can add your favorite toppings. I wanted to try it on its own, and oh my god, why haven't I been making my ramen like this?